Subscribe now. Subscribe now and let's start cooking.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a delicious and easy bread masala recipe. First, take a pan and heat it. Add the bread slices and toast them on both sides. Until they become slightly crispy and golden. Now take a mixer grinder and add 2 tomatoes, 4 garlic cloves, 1 small piece of ginger and half teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 spoon of curd. Everything into smooth paste. Once the bread is nicely toasted, cut it into small square pieces and keep it aside. Now heat the same pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onion and saute it well until the onions turn soft and slightly golden. Next, add the prepared tomato garlic ginger paste and fry into nicely until the raw smell goes away. Now add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 small spoon of Garam Masala. Mix everything well and cook for a minutes. Finally, add the toasted bread pieces and mix everything together until the masala coated the bread nicely.
Now,
Delicious bread masala is ready. Transfer into a serving bowl and enjoy this tasty and easy recipe. If you enjoy this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you for watching.